In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to publish your Base44 app on App Store. We'll start in WordPress on Base44. Open your Base44 workspace in a browser and head to the Apps area so you can see all the projects you've created. Locate the app you want to publish and open it to access its main dashboard or editor. From here, look for the Publish option. Publishing ensures the latest version of your app is live and gives you a shareable link. Before moving on, it's a good idea to confirm your app looks right in this published state. Open the link in a new tab, click through your screens, and make sure everything loads quickly and your routes behave as expected. Next, copy the published URL of your app. Be sure you're grabbing the live or preview link that Base44 provides, not an internal editor address. This URL is what AppMyWeb will wrap into a native mobile build. Now switch over to the AppMyWeb app builder in your browser. Once you're signed in, click the plus icon to create a new project. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your app and paste the URL you just copied from Base44. Choose a concise but brand-appropriate app name that you'll be comfortable displaying publicly, then paste the URL and continue. Inside your new AppMyWeb project, you can tailor the experience to fit your brand and platform guidelines. You can adjust design elements like colors, icons, and splash screens to match your style. You can also configure permissions thoughtfully, only enable those your app actually needs, to streamline review later and build user trust. Navigation can be refined here as well, choosing between options like tabs or a drawer, and you can set how external links open. Take a moment to preview on different device sizes to confirm layouts, gestures, and performance feel right. When your settings look good, go to the App Download section from the project's sidebar. This is where you'll generate your installable builds. Click on New Build to start packaging the app. AppMyWeb will take the URL and compile a native wrapper around your Base44 app. Build times vary depending on the queue and the complexity of your configuration. To enable downloads and publishing for iOS, click Select Plan. Choose the plan that includes iOS builds and confirm. This unlocks the build pipeline needed for App Store distribution. After selecting a plan, the system will proceed with your build and you'll be able to access the generated files once it's complete. And that's the process from Base44 to AppMyWeb, getting your app ready for App Store submission. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.